What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Blazing Shield in Crimson Desert. This is a shield worth finding, since it provides your character with 11 points of defense, 1 level in attack speed and movement speed with 2 defense 3 abyss gears. If you want this shield, you'll have to travel far to the right side of the map, since the location is south of the letter R of Desert, in the Crimson Desert territory. You'll be surrounded by these roads and it's just to the right of a railway station. You'll be standing first on this green marker I placed, which is next to a railroad. When you turn to the direction of the waypoint, you'll see a giant entrance. Go inside of the ancient tunnel. Avoid a tripwire as you make your way in, and watch out for these circles on the walls, since they are flame traps. It's best to gather up some momentum and run past them to avoid getting stuck in between. After the second flame trap, turn left to another room. You'll find these wood-like enemies. Clear them out first, and defeat the giant Groot too. After fighting them, you'll find this altar section now accessible. Go inside and take the Blazing Shield. And don't forget to seal the power core of the big boy. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.